I'm going to use trigonometry to determine how high is the tree using the following information. What information do I need to calculate the height of this tree? I could use trigonometry since this triangle is right-angled. And I have an angle of 22 degrees. But I need to calculate one other side. In this triangle, the tree will represent the opposite side. And therefore I need either the hypotenuse side or I need the adjacent side. So I'm going to have a look at the hypotenuse side, which is this side over here, because this side is part of a bigger triangle over here, this huge triangle, with the wall of the building being 150 meters. With the information given, I can find this angle over here using the properties of angles, which tells me that this is 40 degrees, as this angle here is a right angle. 40 and 50 gives me 90. Similarly, I can find this angle here to be 90, take away 22, and that gives me an angle of 68. And because all angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees, this angle over here will be 180, take away 40, and take away 68. And this will leave me with an angle of 72 degrees. This big triangle here, unfortunately, is not a right angle triangle, and therefore we cannot use the trigonometric ratios. But we can use another kind of rule to calculate this, which is called the sine rule. The sine rule is useful for finding missing sides or angles, and you'll notice that the sine rule is such that the angle is associated with the side opposite that angle. So the pink angle is associated with the pink side, and so the blue side is associated with the blue angle, and the green side is associated with the green angle. And so we can pair them off. Our blue angle will be associated with the blue side on the opposite side. Our green angle will be associated with the side of the wall here. And lastly, our hypotenuse side will be associated with the red angle here. Since we're interested in the hypotenuse side, we can equate this with the angle of 40, sine 40. This ratio can be equated to, and here we have a choice. We could use angle 68 and the blue side, but we do not know what the blue side is, so that's going to be useless. Or we can use the angle 72 with the green side of 150 meters, which is the side of the wall. And so we will use the length of the wall, which is 150 meters, over the sine of 72. Our hypotenuse can easily be found by just rearrangement. Hypotenuse is equal to 150 multiplied by sine 40 over sine 72. Using the calculator, we have 101.38 meters. Now that we know that our hypotenuse is 101.38 meters, our tree is on the opposite side of this angle, so therefore opposite over the hypotenuse will give us a sine 22. So the tree, which is the opposite side, is therefore equal to sine 22 multiplied by 101.38 meters, and that will make it 37.98 meters. I hope you get to see my other videos on measurement in the following playlist.